Have you ever wondered what's inside a Mercedes diesel engine's €130 fuel filter? That's basically what it is. The service interval is about 3 years, something, miles, kilometers. But this makes it expensive as it has this preheating element. There are variants with engines without one, but I think this is some kind of a cold climate version. And I just couldn't help myself to see and watch inside. I think it might have been a little bit too overkill. Let's whip out the filter itself and see what's going on.